Have you ever seen someone who dreams really big? Success, money, a completely different life. But somehow, their life never changes. Or maybe that person is you. The problem isn't that they don't have dreams. The real problem is this: their own mind is working against them. Psychology says there are 6 hidden reasons why most people stay stuck, and 90% of people never realize them. Reason 1. The fake reward effect. Your brain can actually fool you. Studies show that just imagining success gives your brain a small dopamine reward. So even without doing the work, your mind feels like you're already making progress. And because of that, you start delaying real action. But that's only the beginning. Reason 2. Hidden fear of failure. People say, I just don't have motivation. But the truth? They're scared. Scared that if they really try, they might fail. So instead of risking failure, they avoid trying at all. Because as long as they never try, the dream stays perfect in their head, and that fear creates another trap. Reason 3. Waiting for the right time. I'll start tomorrow. I'll start when things get better. But psychology says something important. Preparation comes after action, not before it. That perfect moment you're waiting for, it almost never comes. Now maybe you're thinking, fine, at least I make plans. Which leads to the next problem. Reason 4. Overthinking equals mental exhaustion. Some people think about success so much that their brain gets tired before they even begin. They analyze every possibility, every risk, every outcome, and when it's finally time to act, they have no mental energy left. But the most dangerous reason is still left. Reason 5. Identity problem. Your identity controls your actions. If deep inside you believe, I'm not disciplined, I never finish what I start, then your brain will constantly push you away from action. Because people always act according to who they believe they are. And finally, the most addictive trap of all. Reason 6. Addiction to potential. Listen carefully. Most people are not addicted to hard work. They're addicted to potential. They love the feeling of saying, one day, I could become something great. But when real effort, pain, and consistency show up, they back away. Dreaming big is common. But turning those dreams into reality, that's what separates dreamers from achievers.